guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jael. Today, we're making egg muffins. Our ingredients today are cheese, bacon, eggs, and pico. The first step is to crack our eggs. The second step is to cook our bacon. The next step is to add our cheese and our pico. First our cheese, then our pico. Mix until well combined. This is how it should look. Now that our bacon is done, make sure you crush it. It should look like this. Then we're going to add it into our egg mix. Stir until well combined. Now we are going to be pouring our mixture into our silicones. Make sure you do not overfill while you're pouring the mixture into the silicone. Now we are going to put it in the oven. Now let's plate it. Now let's taste it. Who's hungry? Amazing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe the Russell Way and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye. See you next time.